Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 12.2, question number 4. First of all, read this question. Here in question number 4, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. If the sides of the parallelogram are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, triangle and parallelogram have same base and same area. Sides of triangle 26, 28 and 30, and base of the parallelogram is 28. We need to find the height of parallelogram. Okay, now how we can find the height? So for that, if you know the formula of area of parallelogram, then the area of parallelogram is equal to base multiply height. Okay, area of parallelogram is equal to base multiply height. Here, base is given to us 28 centimeter. We need to find height of parallelogram. Okay, here base is given 28. We need to find the height. For that, we just need to find the area of parallelogram, because if we know the area of parallelogram, then formula is base multiply height. So from that base is given, we can find the height. Okay, so for finding out the height, we just want area of parallelogram. Now how we can find the area of parallelogram? For that, here one line is given to us. Triangle and parallelogram have the same area. Okay, so here area of parallelogram and area of triangle both are same. So first of all, just find out the area of triangle. Okay, first of all, find out the area of triangle. Then area of triangle and parallelogram both are same. After that, we can use the formula for area of parallelogram is equals to base multiply height. From that, we can find the height. Okay. So first of all, find out the area of triangle. Here, three sides are given. Okay, three sides are given, so that we can use the Heron's formula. By using the Heron's formula, we can find the area of triangle. Okay. So here our A 26 centimeter, B 28 centimeter, and C 30 centimeter. Now semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Put the value of A, B and C, so 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. Now 30 plus 20, 50 plus 20, 70, 76 plus 8, 84 divided by 2, 42 centimeter. Okay. So semi-perimeter as 42 centimeter. Now Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put all the value here. So S 42 minus A 26, 42 minus B 28, and 42 minus C 30. Now 42, that means 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 26, it is 16. 42 minus 28, 14, and 42 minus 30, 12. Okay, now factorize this. 7, here 6, that means 3 2s are 16. Just take it as it is, because we know the square root of 16, it is 4. 14, 7 2s are, and here 12, 4 3s are. Okay, now from 2 times 7, 1 times 7, from 2 times 3, 1 time 3. From 2 time 2, 1 time 2. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. Okay. So 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, 42. 42 into 2, 84. 84 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 1 remainder, 8 4s are 32 plus 1. 33. So 336 centimeter square. Okay, 7 is 21 into 2, 42 into 2, 84 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 132 and 3, 336 centimeter square. Okay, so here area of triangle is equal to 336 centimeter square. Okay, now area of triangle and area of parallelogram both are same. Right, so here area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram is equal to 336 centimeter square. Now use the area of parallelogram, base into height. Okay, now base that is given 28. Now we need to find the height. So for that we need to transfer this 28 to the right hand side. So height 336 divided by, now this multiply 28 goes to the denominator. Okay, now transfer this multiply 28 to the right hand side, so it goes to the denominator. So here 28 ones are 28, remainder 5, 56, 28 twos are, so 12 centimeter. Okay, here our unit is centimeter. So here, first of all, find out the area of triangle. After that, area of triangle and area of parallelogram are same. Now area of parallelogram base multiply height. Put the value of base and transfer it to the right hand side. So from here, we will get the value of our height. Okay. Now, after that, question number 5. Here, first of all, with this question, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, again a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows. Rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows. Each side of rhombus is 30, diagonal is 48. We need to find the area of grass field for each cow. Okay, here area is given for 18 cows. We need to find the area for one cow. Okay. So first of all, what we need to do, here shape is rhombus. Okay, here shape is rhombus. Each side is 30 meter. Each side 30 meter. Longer diagonal 48. We know that in rhombus all four sides are same, right? So if one side is 30, then all sides are 30, 30, 30. And one diagonal is given to us, longer diagonal, it is 48. Okay. Now we need to find the area of this rhombus. Okay, and this area, it is for 18 cows, but we need to find the area for each cow, that means for one cow only. Okay, here we have one rhombus ABCD. We need to find the area of this rhombus, and this area, it is for 18 cows, but we need to find for each cow, that means for one cow. Okay, so now how we can find the area of rhombus? So for that, here we have two triangles. Right, here we have two triangles, but both the triangle are same. Here side is 30, 30, 48. Here even 30, 30, 48. That means all three sides are same. It means both triangle have the same area. Okay, here both the triangle have the same area. 30, 30, 48 sides. Here even 30, 30, 48. That means both the area are same. That means we need to find the area for one triangle only. Okay, here we need to find the area for one triangle only. Okay, so here area of rhombus, but before that, here our A is equals to 30, B is equals to 30 and C is equals to 48 for one triangle. A 30, B 30 and C 48. Now semi-perimeter S, A plus B plus C by 2. So 30 plus 48 divided by 2. 30 plus 30 60 plus 40 100 plus 8 108 by 2. So 54 meter. Okay, now area of rhombus ABCD. Area of rhombus ABCD, it is 2 times area of triangle ABD. Okay, here area of both this triangle are same, so total area of rhombus is 2 times area of this triangle, otherwise 2 times area of triangle BCD. You can take any triangle. Okay, so here we are taking triangle ABD. You can also take BCD because both the area are same. Okay, so area of this rhombus is equal to 2 times area of this triangle. Why? Because both this area are same. Okay, so we need to find area for one triangle, multiply 2, we get the area of rhombus. Okay, again area of both the triangle are same. So if we find the area of one triangle and multiply 2, then we get the area of this whole rhombus. Okay, so 2 times area of the triangle. Now use the Heron's formula for finding out the area of triangle ABD. Okay, so here area of triangle ABD, Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So here semi-perimeter S 54. Now here 54 minus A it is 30. S minus B, 54 minus 30. And here S minus C, 54 minus 48. Now here 54, that means 9 6 is 54. So 9 multiply 6. Now 54 minus 30. 54 minus 30 is 24. Here even 24. And 54 minus 48, 6. Now square root of 9, that we know 3. From 2 times 6, 1 times 6, and from 2 times 24, 1 times 24. Okay. Now here 6 3s are 18. 18 multiply 24. Okay. 18 multiply 24. But here I am not multiplying this number. I just write the answer as it is, meter square. Okay. 18 multiply 24. Now here area of rhombus ABCD is equals to 2 times area of this triangle. Okay, that we get 18 into 24. So here first of all 2 multiply 18 multiply 24 meter square. Now this area it is for 18 cow. We need to find the area for 1 cow only. So we need to divide this area by 18. Okay, this area is for 18 cows. So if we want to find the area for each cow, that means for 1 cow, so we need to divide this area by 18. Okay, so area of grass field, for each cow is equal to this area divided by 18, and here 18 cuts, so 24 into 2 48 meter square. So each cow will get area 48 meter square. Okay, again here shape is rhombus, so we need to find the area of the rhombus. Sides 30 30 30, diagonal 48, both the triangle have same area. So first of all, find out the area of one triangle. Here we are finding area of triangle ABD. So first of all, semi-perimeter as A plus B plus C by 2, 30, 30, 48, ABC. So semi-perimeter as 54, area of triangle ABD 18 into 24. Now here, total area of rhombus is 2 times this triangle. So 2 times area of triangle ABD. So 2 multiplied 18 multiplied 24. After that, this area it is for 18 cows. We need to find the area for one cow only. So area of grass field for each cow is equal to this area. This area divided by 18. So we will get the area for each cow. Okay, so 18 cut. Our answer is 48 meter square. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.